I understand we might want to make this this walk with Christ acceptable to everyone. I understand it. I understand it very. That's the reason why God, He doesn't He doesn't leave it into our hands to judge. But if you understand the nature, the new nature that you have, you will be dependent on God to do the judging, not you, not yourself. Everything in the new nature is in the new nature. It's not something that someone must do or even learn how to do. It's just that they come into the awareness of they are a child of God. And as a child of God, you begin to understand that not my will, but thy will. Why is that is said? Think about this. They don't say it in heaven. They say it in the earth. Because the flesh and the earth also, the God of this world, who has been brought to nothing, if you are the one that Jesus has saved, and He show you His ways. A lot of people are not concerned about the ways of Christ when it comes to their personal life. And when leaders are like that, it damages the flock. Because the flock is going to follow the person that is before them. They're going to follow them. They listen intently. Also, they're watching intently. One of the things that was so powerful about Christ is when He said, if you want to follow me, you must deny yourself, which means the disciples, if you notice, when the Bible says they have left all for God, that was death to self. That was denying self. And to show you that you can't do this in your strength, God chose them. They left all in God's strength. They left all in God's strength. They left all in God's strength. They never had to say, I deny myself to walk with Christ. They didn't have, you can say they didn't have no choice. God causes them to walk in His statutes, which is His prophecy, His purpose, His plans. And you might say, well, there was many people. Yes, there were many people. But God knows who to choose. He knows if that person is going to yield. He knows if that person is going to yield. That's why it's not complicated. It's not complicated. The problem is if a person is really seeking God for God. And that even that is not even a problem. Just meditate on these words.